Closed captioning for great taste is presented by Manitoba turkey producers. It's time to think turkey. Manitoba Liquor Mart presents Great Tastes of Manitoba. Great Tastes is brought to you by greattastesmb.ca. Local farms, local foods. Great Tastes is sponsored by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership. Happy Saturday night and welcome to Great Tastes of Manitoba. My name is Des Daniels, your host for tonight, and we are welcoming Manitoba turkey producers traditional turkey with a twist. And anytime Chef Jason Wortzman is with us, you know, sometimes we're gonna have to work just a little bit harder, but there's always something interesting that he does. So we're gonna walk through our recipes here really quick. Tell us what we're making tonight.
Okay, well, we're gonna start with a spatchcock whole turkey. So that's a flattened turkey.
I have some questions, but we'll get to that shortly. All right, that's number one.
Yeah. And then we're going to make a Mediterranean sausage stuffing in a casserole, and that's sausage is a new product of ours.
Okay, sounds very good. Always something interesting, as I mentioned. And number three?
Yeah, number three, we're going to make cabbage rolls.
All right, this Ukrainian is interested. Aaron, haven't forgot about you. Aaron Allblast, Manitoba Liquor Marts. So a little bit of a twist here with turkey tonight. What are you thinking?
Sure, when I think twist, I think citrus. When I think citrus, sometimes I think wine. And if I'm thinking that, I'm thinking Sauvignon Blanc. So much like Chef fundamentally takes the same ingredient and transforms it, I'm gonna talk about 3 Sauvignon Blanc. Fundamentally, they're the same, but what makes them different?
Cool, see you soon. All right, number one, herbed spatchcocked turkey. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about this great new product that you have. Tell us all about this.
Yeah. Well, it's infused with turkey broth and sea salt.
Okay.
So it's just lightly seasoned, and it's so good it just stays moist and juicy right through cooking. So essentially we're going to be doing all of our frozen turkeys like this now.
Okay, I like that idea because it's so easy to dry out turkey, right? If you cook it too much and so on. So that's great.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the bird, and then you want to talk a little bit about what is this apparatus
so
on
you
the...
need to thaw the bird before you start the spatchcocking, or use a fresh bird as well.
Okay.
And this is a handy clamp here. So it holds the legs together, and it's oven safe, so you can cook with it.
Okay, that was my next question. So you can actually put that in the oven. That's not going
correct,
to be a problem.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you want to remove the giblets and the neck here, and they're also great for stock. And if you want to stuff the bird, you can keep this on, and then you can just tuck the leg back in after.
Okay, so now you don't have to use the twine
you don't have to tie it or
whatever.
anything like that.
Okay,
Correct, yeah.
nice.
And then for this spatchcocking, I've completely removed the handy clamp.
Okay, why would you ever bother with this? Because it seems like a little bit of work. You've got like your poultry scissors here, and you've got this, you know, like, so what do you actually have to do, and why would you do this?
Yeah, essentially all you're doing is removing the back, but you flatten out the turkey, and it cooks so evenly, cooks quickly.
Okay.
So I recommend a smaller bird, maybe 3 to 6 kilos at the most.
Okay.
And it'll take anywhere from 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1 hour and a half, hour 45 to cook.
Okay, as compared to...
Yeah, 2.5 plus hours.
And did I hear you say earlier, did you mention something you could actually even do half a turkey if
Yeah,
you
you could. If you want a smaller meal, I mean, even this is a fairly small, this is a 4 kg bird, but it's not much smaller than a large roaster, or not much bigger, but you can cut it in half and save half and just do a smaller meal that way.
Okay, and you also you said you just take the back out. Is that a complicated process? Or I guess
no,
for you it's not, but...
Yeah, there are videos showing you how to do it, but I'll just show you. Basically, I pulled this one out ahead of time, but you're just cutting along where the wing bone naturally comes here, and same thing with the thigh bone as well.
Okay.
Pull
that
that
just
right
got
out.
real. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then, and then we need our marinade to go in there. So really simple.
All right. And my understanding is that, all right, I'll be doing some of this. Okay.
Yeah.
Walk me through it step by step.
Yeah. So we got a good half a cup of parsley there.
Okay.
Chopped nice Italian parsley. Couple of our tablespoon of garlic chopped there. Couple tablespoons of smoked paprika.
So this whole
Yeah.
thing?
Just dump it all in. You bet. Yeah.
Lovely.
Now we'll just do a little pinch of salt because there's already a little bit of salt in the
like so?
In the infusion here. Yeah.
That works.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's great. And then about a 1/4 cup of olive oil.
Okay.
And something like this you don't have to measure exactly.
Good.
Yeah. And then just a cracked fresh black pepper there.
You like lots of pepper, as I recall. Or
Yep,
good?
yep.
Okay.
That's good. However you like it. And then we're gonna squeeze half a lemon in there
Okie
too.
doke.
So I always like to squeeze fresh lemon juice.
Right. Well, fresh, you know,
Yep.
always better. That's kind
Yep,
of what.
yep. So just give it a good squeeze there, and then
Ooh.
that's our rub there.
Okay.
Okay.
We're very enthusiastic here on this show. Spatchcocking. Okay.
Okay, if you just give that a stir, that's our rub.
Okay. That's and that's it.
Yep. That's it.
Okay.
And you know, you can add spice to it. You can add a little bit of mustard. There's so many different
I'm
rubs.
try my hand off.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
You know what? I'll just show you how it goes on there
Okay.
now. It's yeah, I'm just going to take some here.
Okay.
And you just want to cover the whole inside of the bird here. And you see the nice color there of the paprika.
Wow.
And you get that smoky flavor even when you're cooking in the oven. That's why I like to use it so much. Then we're going to flip it over here. And you want to just put a little bit of weight on the breastbone here, just to flatten it out a bit. And then take the rest of your rub there. And
Right on top.
just right on top. Yeah,
Holy
just coat the
smokes.
whole bird here.
Chef, there is nothing delicate about this.
Yeah,
Wow.
and then your legs you can position like this, and then you want to just tuck the wing tips underneath
Okay.
so they don't burn, and then that just goes straight on the baking sheet there.
If you make this at home, I want to hear all about it because that you just made that look super easy, and it's going to be absolutely fantastic, as all your recipes always are. So we're going to come back in just a second. We're going to try Mediterranean turkey with sausage stuffing, traditional turkey with a twist tonight on Great Tastes of Manitoba. Don't go away.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by the Government of Canada and Manitoba Agriculture through the Canadian Agricultural Partnership.